Okay, in this video, you'll learn how to make your training easy to find for learners by turning on the library visibility. So I'm here in the Manage tab of my dashboard, and I'm looking at courses, and I have this microlearning course I recently submitted. I'm going to open it up. I haven't published it yet, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Just click Publish, and we have all of our default info. We can choose library visibility here, or we can do it after we've published the course. So sometimes you might want to publish the course, hold off on making it visible until you've assigned the due dates and the topics and enrolled different groups. So that's what I'm going to do right here. So I'll say Publish, and I'm going to skip for now. So the course is now live, but it's not visible in the library. So if I turn it on, then I would see that course in the library. But real quick, before I do that, because it's turned off, if I were to browse the library, you can see that that course isn't in here. So the course that I see, everything I see right here is what's available to me in the default library. Now, it's possible that I'm assigned some courses that I see under my Learn tab. For example, if I come back over here real quick to the Learn tab, I could see courses here that I'm assigned, but not see these in the actual library. And that's just because the library visibility has been turned off. So I'm going to come back to the Manage real quick, open up that course we just created, and let's make that available in my library. So all we need to do is turn on the library. So by default, there is a single library called the default library, and this is live by default, and everyone in your organization has access to the content that's in the default library. You also have the option of creating custom libraries, removing or excluding groups or users from the default. You can learn more about that in other tutorials, but in this case, we just want to make this available to our default library. And now if I were to browse, there's my new course that's available, and learners can take and self-enroll and take the course. Now, this also is true for your learning paths. So if I come back up here to the Manage tab and I want to choose learning paths, I can choose any of the existing paths right here. And if I look over here on the right, I can see the default visibility is already on for that item. Now, one thing we recommend in general is if you have a learning path and you make the learning path visible in the library, then we recommend not making the individual courses visible. But that's how easy it is to make your training visible in the library. Okay, there you have it. That's how you can make your training visible in the training library.